All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at my wish list for the Surface Duo 2. Now I know the Surface Duo is a new device, and I know that we all are excited about this device. I have put out easily 10 videos, probably. I'm not keeping count. I had to take a sip. You guys know what you can do. Hit the link in the description and buy me a coffee. Hit all the links and get discounts on a lot of different websites. So check that out. Now, the Surface Duo is a device that is so controversial. Some devices are just controversial, period. People are so excited by it that they really don't know how to respond to it. And so you critique it immediately. You start to really pick it apart, and it's okay. We all should do that. We should pick apart these expensive devices because that is what we're here for, not to give them a pass just because we like it, but to call out all the things so the OEMs can fix them on the next iteration. And I'm very prayerful and hopeful that they do make another version of this. I will be all in with it, man. I am telling you, this is just incredible. I like so much about this. The hardware is just totally this is like the best hardware ever. And the software is one of the main issues that I have with the device. But what we're going to do is, and just so you know, I went on ahead and did the big reveal. Some people were wondering why I had this box of donuts from Round Rock Donuts. These are from Round Rock, Texas. I took this photo with the Surface and I placed it online, and I asked, which device do you think took this photo? And a lot of people, only one person named the Surface Duo. I guess they felt like it wasn't capable of taking photos like this. So let me actually, just for kicks, let's see here. Here is that photo that I took. And if you go into the settings of it, you can see here when it was taken, it was a 9.1 megapixel, 5.4 megabytes. It was taken on September 20th, which was a Sunday at 5:06 p.m. You can see all the details there. F2.0, 196, 2.5 millimeters, 2.51 millimeters. ISO was at 50. It was a pretty sunny day out, so that's why the ISO was like that. And so, this camera is absolutely just incredible. My grandbaby 2 years ago. My wife still looks the same, still looks young. But okay, so we're gonna get into the Surface Duo, my wish list. Now, I'm gonna try not to drag this video out, and I'm pretty excited. So, okay, before I get this video started, just want to say, you guys know that I'm a huge GoPro fan. So I'm actually recording this with the Hero 8, and here is the 7. And you already know which one is coming next en route, the 9. I can't wait. It records in 5K. It's got a 23 megapixel. It should just be off the charts. Anyway, Surface Duo checklist number 2. So I think I took some notes. Let me see here. I'm sure I took notes. I might have put them in Google Keep. I'm not sure. Surface Duo. I don't know if I took notes or not, but I can tell you, I definitely can remember my notes. So obviously the main thing I want to start with on this device is the software. Now this device has a lot of cool things you can do with the software, but the main thing is the multitasking, and this is where this device really shines. People love the multitask on here. Trying to keep my computer awake so it doesn't die on me. People love the multitasking on here because it's actually pretty good, man. I mean, having 2 apps open at once, yes, we know that this is possible, but the software as a whole still needs work. And so that is going to be my first, thing on the wish list, is to pretty much have them make sure this software is tweaked so good, because you can't put a different launcher on here. That's the crazy part. You can't switch the launcher. And trust me, I've tried. You can't switch the launcher. Team Pixel, where you at? You can't switch. Ooh, man, it's clean. You guys know I got the car clutch. But you can't switch the launcher. So, if you're gonna allow me to not switch the launcher, please allow me to be able to tweak it in some kind of way. Let me tweak it some kind of way. Let me do something with it. Let me get some kind of changes, or make it really stable. If they keep this software the same and it's running smooth, just like it's running smooth, but it looks the same, I'll live with it. I don't like the square icons. But if the performance is there, I'm okay. And it's weird because obviously the performance is good because of the Snapdragon 855. However, the navigating the device is so quirky and quonky. I had to turn on buttons, and I turned them off because there's no way that I want to use buttons in 2021 and 2020. I don't want to do it. I want to use all gestures at this point because it took me a long time to get to that point. So the software definitely needs improvements. And another way to help improve this is to give it 12 gigs of RAM. It needs more RAM than 6. 6 is not enough. You're going to have to get 12 gigs of RAM in here, son. That's what you need to do, Microsoft. I'm counting on you. 12 gigs of RAM. Now, another thing is we need another camera on the back, and we also need a small LED somewhere. We need a small LED on this device and another camera. Now, a lot of you guys made excuses for this device by saying, oh, Jay, you don't know what you're talking about. It's not supposed to be a phone. Okay, I've said that. It's a phone is like third on the list for this device with me. I know that. So maybe those are some passerbys who don't watch who hasn't seen the whole series of videos I've done on this device. But I know this isn't a phone first. But it has a phone. So if I'm going to use it like a phone, son, I'm going to use it like a phone, and I want it to feel like a phone, which means it's got to have better cameras. These are great. I shot a vlog. A full vlog, I was getting ready to say. I shot this entire vlog.
What's up, folks? It's your man, Jay. It is me.
Turn
I have
down.
to let the windows up a little bit.
I shot this entire vlog right here from this phone for my car channel, and I uploaded it directly, and it was great. It was fantastic. No problems whatsoever. Yeah, it's fantastic. But the camera has to be in like this perfect setting to do that. And that's not what I need. I need you to perform in all situations. At least give me something. So we need 2 cameras. We need a better camera for the rear. And we need a small LCD for the front for the 2nd generation Microsoft. I hope you're listening. LCD on the front. It doesn't have to be a big color LCD. It could just be a little small analog LCD just to see phone calls and who's calling, or just caller ID, just anything. And again, my wish list isn't that long. It's not very long. Up the RAM. Give me the latest processor, whatever is out in 2021, especially if you're charging the same price or more. But give me the latest processor, give me the extra RAM, double the RAM, give me better cameras, add an LCD display, and first and foremost, stretch it out. Stretch out these displays. I like having something to hold on to, son, but I don't need to hold on to it that much. I want you to stretch out these displays. Period. Fill it up. All right? Fill this up. Yep. And if you can give me a Type-C, you can give me a Type-C adapter or something in the box, or some headphones that are Type-C that are powerful, or throw in the Surface Buds. You know what I mean? Pull a Samsung, throw in the Surface Buds, huh? Do something. This is about it. The battery life for me is fantastic. Oh, one other thing. I'm gonna need 2 speakers. I'm gonna need 2. Either one here and one here, or 2 here. Or quad speakers, 2 and 2. Don't tell me you can't do it, because you can. OnePlus put 4 speakers in their device. And I know all people say, oh, it's too thin, Jay. No, it's not, son. Just don't make excuses for these companies. Listen, 4 speakers or 2 speakers can definitely be done. If you can't put them on the device, do an iPad. Put them up here. Put 2 up there and 2 down here or something. Put 2 over here. Put on the sides. You can do something to make this even better than what it really is. Folks, this is a great device. And I'm super happy to be a part of Team Duo, because there is a Team Duo. Shout out to my man Night Tech. He's holding on to it, folks. That's my man, 100 grand. He started the Team Duo logo, the little slogan thing, and I'm riding with him on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that we can ride this wave out. But you know what I'm saying? Anybody that's got a Surface Duo, you are officially a part of Team Duo. So I want to see you in the comments. If you have a skin on yours, tell me what kind you got. If you don't, hit the link in the description and hit SophieGuard and get yours. This is a beast mode device. It just needs some work. So the second iteration of this phone, Microsoft, I need you to bring it, son. I need you to really bring it, because this one is fire. And shout out to my man Will H. He's having a lot of problems with his software is like really freezing up. I'm not having any of those problems. He's having a boatload of problems. So his didn't get power. He had to, he had to hold the, how to do the, the button combination to get it power back on when you got it plugged in. He had to do a whole bunch of stuff. If you haven't seen his channel, hit up Will H. and on YouTube, Will H Tech Reviews. You'll see his Surface video, and he's got a few of them out there. And he covers his devices like I do. He does it in short segments and videos. You know what I'm saying? He gives it to you. So I want to say thank you guys for coming by. Everybody who's got a Surface Duo, we are in this together. If you're keeping it, if you're into it, you're going to keep it, and you're not going to throw it out the window and return it. If you're patient, you know what I'm saying? I know this is a lot to ask of a person, but I don't. Okay, now let's be clear here. Disclaimer: I don't care whether you keep it or not. I'm just saying you do what's best for you. But if for those people out there who are willing to hold on to it because we can see what's to come, yeah, you're part of a special clique. It's your man Jay. You heard it here. Take care.